Tutorials over there. You learn how to make the micro machines. From the micro machines, you can build anything once you get good at this. Now what I have to do is I have to put these, I have to pull these things down into here. This is really, really hard to do. Oh man, that stuck that right in the top of there. Huh, okay. See, this is what you got to do. You have to feed that into here, because what happens is you have got to be able to attach these without tying them to something. And I have an old style way of getting them to stick in there. I take a part of a toothpick and I cut this end off. And what happens to that is you don't cut it clear off. You leave it stay on here so that you can put glue on this and wedge it in between the lines. And that's cool. Nice. I like crab. I like it dipped in lemon and butter. I don't know if y'all can see this or not, but shoot. Anyway, I got a little groove cut into here. So when I put glue on this and I stick it between the cables and then snap it off, it locks the cables in place. And I call it cables, it's string. Okay, it's not real cable, it's just string. Now, this piece goes in here and I force it between the cables and up into the decking, the upper section of decking. Then I twist it off. Just twist it off, and what it does is it locks this in place. That makes sure that it won't come out. 10 years from now, 20 years from now, it'll still be there. Uh-oh, I was not paying attention and I broke a tool. And that messes me up right there because I have to have this size needle to be able to fill this stuff in here. Wow, I never thought about that. I didn't think that was possible. No good, it's broke, I can't use it. But this needle here might work. Yeah, but I got all kinds of needles, Eddie. It's just these certain size needles that I. All right, it's this one. This one here is actually too fat, and so it'll work, but it's too big. And that's the one I got to use right there. Doggone it. Well, phooey. Not what I wanted to do, let me tell you. And this needle, that's a giant. I can't use it at all. This is actually a canvas needle. Black Pearl. I'm putting all the detail on it. This is supposed to be on it as well. "20 minutes of the show left, you guys, and I gotta go. I'll be back tomorrow for a Friday show." If you want tutorials, you have to, the best place to get them is you need a bronze membership. It's $2.99, and you get a month's worth of tutorials to study or more. It's, yeah, it's all paper. Smallest piece of art I got, I can show you that. I told him I have one of those creepers that goes under a bus, so when he throws me under the bus, I won't get run over. Now, this is what I have to do. I have to pull this through here. The hard part is getting the cords through it. Once that happens, it's okay. Then it's easy to fix. But beyond that point, it's trying to get this stuff through here. Uh-huh. right here. Best build right here. Say what? Yeah, absolutely. You can join tomorrow at noon, Pacific Standard Time. Basically, what it is, if you look at your clock, 6 hours earlier tomorrow, I do a live show. Yeah, you guys. Uh-huh. You don't have to make stuff like this. You can make a dragonfly or you can make a June bug, or you can make a bumblebee. Ah, yeah. Oh, that's cool. Cardboard skin? Awesome news.